Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the chemistry class. This is chemistry class for the students of Standard 10, presented by Bijli Saha, lecturer of Square High School and College. Today, our topic is polymer. What is polymer? When innumerable tiny molecules are joined together to make a giant molecule, then this giant molecule is called polymer, and these tiny molecules are called monomer. Already you have learned about the polymerization reaction. In polymerization reaction, innumerable molecules are joined together to make a large molecule. This large molecule that is prepared by polymerization reaction, this large molecule is called polymer, and the tiny molecules which are joined together as a reactant, they are called monomer. Classification of polymer. According to their structure, polymers are of two types: addition polymer and condensation polymer. What is addition polymer? The polymerization reaction in which the monomer molecules are directly added to one another, and this is also an addition reaction. Look here, the monomers directly added to one another and form a long chained polymer is called addition polymerization reaction, and the polymers which are formed in this way are called addition polymers. For example, polythene, that is the polymer of ethene; polypropene, polymer of propene; PVC or polyvinyl chloride, that is the polymer of vinyl chloride, etc. are the example of addition polymer because they are made by addition polymerization reaction. Some addition polymerization reaction. Preparation of polythene. Look, this is ethene. N number, that means innumerable molecules of ethene are joined at 1000 atmospheric pressure and 120 degree Celsius temperature in presence of little amount of oxygen, and they produce a polymer polythene. Here the double bonded molecule, this double bond is broken and the molecule are joined one by one. This is one ethene molecule, another ethene molecule are also joined with this. Here all the molecules are not shown, just one N is given at the bottom of the right corner. It denotes that it is continued like a chain. In this way, polythene is prepared by addition polymerization reaction of ethene. Another example, that is preparation of polypropene. Here also, N, that means innumerable molecule of propene joined together at 140 atmospheric pressure and 120 degrees Celsius temperature in presence of titanium chloride, and they are joined to make a long chain polypropene. Here also N denotes the chain is continued, and here is more and more molecule of propene joined with this. Another addition polymerization reaction, that is preparation of polyvinyl chloride or PVC. This is vinyl chloride, already you know this. Here innumerable molecule of vinyl chloride are joined at high pressure and high temperature in presence of organic peroxide, and they are joined to make a huge molecule PVC, polyvinyl chloride. This is also addition polymerization reaction because all they are addition reaction. Only one product is produced by this reaction. So they are addition polymerization reaction, and these polymers are called addition polymer. Now condensation polymer. What is condensation polymer? The polymerization reaction in which the monomer molecules release small molecules such as water, carbon dioxide, etc. during their joining one another is called the condensation polymerization reaction, and the polymers which are formed in this way are called condensation polymers. Look, in condensation polymerization reaction, it is not addition reaction. Here one molecule is not produced. Here with polymer, some small molecules like water, carbon dioxide, these are released with product. And in this polymerization reaction is called condensation polymerization reaction, and these polymers are called condensation polymer. For example, nylon 6,6, urea formaldehyde, etc. are the example of condensation polymer. Here, condensation polymerization reaction, preparation of nylon 6,6. Look, in addition polymerization reaction, we have seen that only one molecule, huge number of one molecule is joined one by one. But in condensation polymerization reaction, there is more than one molecule. Look, here the reactants are adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine. This is the formula of adipic acid, dicarboxylic acid. There are two carboxylic group. This is HOOC, CH2,4, COOH, and this is hexamethylene diamine. This is diamine, NH2, here also NH2, and it is hexamethylene, CH2,6. These two monomers are added, but not only one number. This adipic acid also innumerable molecule of adipic acid, and hexamethylene diamine, this is also innumerable molecule of hexamethylene diamine. They are combined together in presence of titanium oxide. And look here, in this reaction, from adipic acid 1 OH and from hexamethylene diamine 1 hydrogen. This OH and this hydrogen make water, and other compounds are joined to make nylon 6,6 polymer. Look here, OC, that means here also this OH is combined with another hexamethylene diamine molecules hydrogen. Here OC, CH2,4, CO, here OH is released to make water, and from here one hydrogen is released, so here will be NH, CONH. CO is from this molecule and NH is from this molecule. CONH, now CH2,6, again NH, because one hydrogen is removed from here to make water with another OH of another adipic acid, and this N means it is continued. And innumerable molecule of water will also be produced by this polymerization reaction. This is an example of condensation polymerization reaction, and in this way nylon 6,6 polymer is a condensation polymer. Again, polymers are of two types. Another type of classification is this. At first we have classified according to their structure. Here again polymers are of two types. They are natural polymer and synthetic polymer. What is natural polymer? The polymer which are produced naturally are called natural polymers. That means the polymers are not made artificially. They are naturally produced. For example, cellulose and stars produced from many glucose molecule. Cellulose and stars, they are also polymer. Cellulose is produced in plant body and stars, it is in plant and animal body. They are produced, stars, this is also produced in plant body. They are produced from many glucose molecule. Protein, this is produced in animal body. Polymer of amino acid, rubber, etc. are the example of natural polymer. Now, synthetic polymer. The polymer that are produced artificially are called synthetic polymers. All the polymers that we have read before: polythene, PVC, polypropylene, nylon 66, all plastics, all are the synthetic polymer because they are made artificially. Properties and uses of different polymers. There some polymers are given, their formula is also given. This the properties and uses of these polymers are here. Look, first polythene, you know the formula of monomer, this is ethene. And properties: soft and durable, plastic bag, plastic sheet, etc. are the example of etc. are the uses of this polymer. Polypropylene, its monomer is CH3CH double bond CH2. It is also soft and durable. It is used to make plastic rope, plastic bottle, etc. Polyvinyl chloride, CH2 double bond CHCl. It is solid and hard. It is used to make water pipe, electric insulator, etc. Nylon 66, it has two monomer, adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine. It is durable and flexible. It is used to make artificial clothes, ropes, toothbrush, etc. Now, advantage and disadvantage of using plastic. You know, plastic, that means polythene, it is very important in our everyday life. It has many advantages and also many disadvantages in nature. Advantages: it is very necessary materials for our everyday life. There are many uses of plastic. You can mention these uses here. And disadvantages is, the great disadvantage of plastic is it is very harmful for the environment. So today up to this, thanks everyone and goodbye everyone. Thank you.